Hi guys, this is Dragon Grant G101, and I just wanted to show you how to fill your Zippo lighter, which is right here. If it's brand new or anything, and it doesn't have fuel in it, then I'm going to show you how to fill it. And I know there's a lot of other videos, I just thought I'd give a video tutorial. And one little note, the Zippo lighter fluid is pretty hard to get open, so I just ended up grabbing a little penny, kind of wedging it in there, starting to pull it up a little bit. And then it'll come up like that. You will get your Zippo right here. In this case, I have the brand new Zippo Spectrum lighter I unboxed a couple days ago. You will take the little insert out, flip up the cam, take this little felt pad right here, pull it up, and just put some Zippo lighter fluid in it, like this. And get it all around. Count to 5. Let it sink in. Do a little bit more. Let it sink in. A little bit more. I think that should be enough for now. Close my Zippo lighter fluid. And I will kind of wipe off any excess that I got on there. Pretty much got it. Put the insert back in. I guess I'm just going to kind of wipe my hands off the carpet just a little bit so don't catch my hands on fire. And put the can back. Kind of shake your Zippo a little bit to get the fluid in there nicely. And it's my Zippo's first light. Lit on the first try. Quality. And it's really cool when it lights. Haven't lit it yet. Been waiting forever for this package to come in.